This is going to be a quick training on how to update your host file. You may need to do this if you are migrating a site and you want to test resolution of a site to a new server. Make sure that the server is working with the domain you're going to be pointing at it. So there are also a few other reasons why you would want to do this, which you can read in the article. First, we're going to open up a terminal session. Command is sudo nano/etc/host. This is going to open up the nano text editor, as well as sudo tells it needs a admin level access. So we're going to put in our password. As you can see, it doesn't show any password text going in. It does go in, so don't get freaked out if you don't see that. Hit enter, opens up our host file. So now we can go to, we'll put a local loopback URL. Just so that we have something. This means that any request that goes out to the domain we put in here is just going to loop back to our PC or our Mac. So we'll do google.com, and now we'll write that out. So this is going to prevent me from being able to get out to google.com. Control O, as you can see here, writes it out. It prompts me, are you sure? Enter yes. Okay, so now we'll exit. Control X. We'll exit the nano editor. Now we're back to a terminal. So now we can do a curl command. Curl is just a utility that allows you to do HTTP requests from terminal or command line. So we will do google.com. As you can see here, connection refused on port 80 because that is looping back to our local machine, and this isn't a web server, so it doesn't accept incoming requests. We can also let's open up Firefox, and we'll see google.com. This is an issue with caching, which is a pain. Let's see if we open up a new private window. There we go. As you can see, unable to connect. So do be aware that modern browsers are going to cache the DNS that they've already received. So sometimes you have to close out of all the instances and reset your DNS in order for it to work immediately. But you know it's working if you test it from terminal. So we can go back. Let's get back in the nano editor, etc hosts, and since I already logged in, it lets me put the info. It doesn't prompt me for my password again, so I can delete this record now, and I will write it out. Control O, hit enter, and now Control X to exit the nano editor, and again we'll do the curl command, google.com. There we go. We get obviously it's not google.com, it's www.google.com. So we get a 301 status code returned. So now we are making it out to DNS servers, and then we're getting a response from Google servers over 301. So that is how you edit your host file on a Mac. I hope this is helpful.